And to end our news bulletin for tonight, former manager of the Bank of the South Pacific, Mr. Rex Ioane, has passed away, leaving many of his friends on the island stunned at his sudden passing. Mr. Ioane worked in Niue for a couple of years with his family before leaving the island in March this year back to Papua New Guinea. According to the representative of Niue's BSP, all the staff at the bank are stunned and confused over the news. Mr. Ioane, who was well liked by many on the island, had close ties to the local community, even establishing a taro plantation, visiting communities and activities on the island. He will be missed by many on the island. Mr. Ioane passed away on Monday, local PNG time, Sunday here on the island. Our thoughts and prayers to his family and friends at this time. Hana hado tola dau wala tala tutupu ke lata ia. Mwe awhiawhinei kai wania mufoki kwa amavnaki e lautaongo ha Niue ke tuku atoai e whono e ke pole ke lata ia mwe whasiwhasianga tope ke he pungpongi a pongi. And that's our news bulletin for tonight, but don't forget Radio Sunshine will be broadcasting live the assembly meeting from Whalefono tomorrow morning. Good evening.